All right, does everyone now have a pen, a die, and a workshop folder? Go ahead and open the folder. We're starting with step 1. Here, you see a column of dice from top to bottom. You also see a row from left to right with the words who, where, and what. In step 1, you decide how your story will begin, and this is how you do it. Step 1, in a moment, you'll roll your die 3 times. The first roll determines who the story is about. These are the heroes of Plaza Patata. If you want to know exactly who they are, watch the video as well. Who is who? Step 1. For example, if you roll a 1, then it's about Luna. Put a cross or a circle next to the result of the die roll. The second roll determines where your story takes place. If you roll a 2, it's in the kitchen of the restaurant. Put a cross or a circle next to the result of the die roll. The third roll determines what you are doing. If you roll a 3, you are baking a cake. Put a cross or a circle next to the result of the die roll. Now you have the who, where, and what of your story. Before you can continue, you first need to turn this into a well-formed sentence. In the example I gave, I rolled Luna, the kitchen of the restaurant, baking a cake. A well-formed sentence would then be, Luna is baking a cake in the kitchen of the restaurant. Step 1 ends with this assignment. Make a good sentence and write it in the white space of the workshop folder. Go ahead and do all of this now, and then I'll see you back for the rest of the story.